Stop that! Okay.
What a wonderful day at Hogwarts. You know, it is wonderful for a Potter, but not for a Weasley. Ron! Ron! What do you want, Harry Potter?
Well, I wanted to go on an adventure with you.
An adventure? With me? Bah! I'm not going on any one of your magical adventures. Well, why not? Because last time I nearly died. Oh, name one time. The Philosopher's Stone.
That was just a fluke.
How about the Chamber of Secrets? I mean, there was a giant snake.
Okay, that was not my fault. You know it was Voldemort.
Still, I nearly died many, many times because of your adventures.
And your point? Fine. What do you want me to do now? Oh, well, we need to defeat the dragon. Okay, that sounds easy. Oh, wait, my mistake. These glasses are a little bit broken, but that's a dinosaur.
A dinosaur?
Yeah.
What dinosaur?
The one behind you.
Bloody hell, Harry, there's a dinosaur!
Hey, no cursing. This is a kid's film.
That's not the point! There's a dinosaur! We're wizards, Harry! We can't defeat a dinosaur! A dragon, maybe, but we can't defeat a dinosaur!
Well, maybe I can't, cause, you know, I'm the chosen one. But you're expendable.
No! You'll do fine!
Okay, I can do this, Ron.
Hurry! I dropped the wand!
Ron? Ron, you're supposed to fight back. Ron.
Hurry, just do something already!
Fine. I'll help you out just one time.
Well, you bloody better!
Now, what have I said about cursing?
Just bloody help me already!
Fine.
Abracadabra! Whoa! The dinosaur's gone! Oh, yes! Finally! My life is safe!
See, Ron, it wasn't that bad.
Well, wasn't that bad? Wasn't that bad? I nearly died to a dinosaur because of you!
And your point? Well, why do you keep getting me in these situations?
Because you're a Weasley.
That's it, I'm done. No, wait. If you go, I'll have to listen to Hermione again.
It's Leviosa! Shut up, Hermione! We already know!
No, come back, Ron, please!